Good morning, insiders. Just thought I'd give you a quick unboxing video of my new V500M that I received yesterday. This is the first time we are opening it up. So we have the camera, come back to that, the instruction manual and CDs. What else do we have in here? We have the charging brick and some more cables down underneath the cardboard. We have regular mini USB cable. We have here composite cables, power cable, and finally the battery. So most of that can stay in its plastic for the moment. This is the exciting part. And there it is. Brand new HC-V500M. Look forward to comparing its video quality to the Samsung Galaxy Note that this video was shot on. And I'll post up some videos for you guys later. Bye.